நான் வந்து ஆங்கிலத்துல வாசிக்கிறேன். எங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு புரியும், உங்களுக்கும் புரியும்.
1 to 5 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருமே பின்பற இருக்கக்கூடிய வகுப்பறைக்கு வருமாறு அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Okay, good evening all of you. Good evening to honorable members, esteemed teachers, proud parents, my dear students. All of you, good evening. Today we gathered here to celebrate our annual day celebration. This is a day acknowledge our achievements and look forward to a future filled with learning and growth. This year has been a journey filled with learning, laughter and unforgettable moments. We have seen our teachers' hard work, students excel in academics, culturals, sports and many competitions. I am incredibly proud of their hard work and dedication. Beyond the achievements, I am impressed by the compassion and teamwork that our teachers, parents and students have shown throughout the year. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to teachers, parents, SMC members, our block educational officers to guide us, village officials, all students, all of you. Thanks much for your unwavering support and encouragement. And thanks to students. Keep shining, keep learning and never stop reaching for the stars. In our school, we have all facilities like costless textbooks, notebooks, uniform, shoes, socks, slippers, crayons, atlas, geometry box, breakfast, noon meal, white uniform, purified RO water for all, clean washrooms, impressive classrooms, smart board facility, sitting arrangements, playground, playthings, kits for English, maths and science to learn. English practice, everyday English practice, school library, greenish garden, வாசிப்பு இயக்கம், வானவில் மன்றம், competitions, மகிழ் மன்றம் activities, children movies, self-defense classes for girl children, prizes to encourage students, என்னும் எழுத்தும் attractive classrooms, happy and peaceful atmosphere, SLAS exam, NMMS exam for scholarship and to assess that. Internet usage, Kalai Tiruvizha, 7.5% scholarship for higher education, Kalvi Puravalar Thittam, PT and battery test, high-tech lab usage, and one instructor also we are having. Pudumai Pen, Tamil Pudalvan scholarship schemes, energetic teachers and 2 scavengers to clean school. So, parents, just listen. If you admit your children here, no need to spend your money. You can save your money. Let us make this annual day memorable and filled with joy and celebration. Let us appreciate the talents and achievements of our students and look forward to a bright future together. And we did not expect this much contribution. Really, we did not expect this much contribution from you all. Thank you so much. And cooperation to celebrate this annual day. We feel proud to work in this school. We truly believe that teamwork never fails. Teamwork never fails. This same function we will celebrate the next year with full of students here. Let us make this day truly special. Thank you so much.
ஆண்டறிக்கையை ஆங்கிலத்தில் வாசித்த அசத்திய எம் பள்ளியின் தலைமை ஆசிரியை திருமதி மல்லிகா சகின் அவர்களுக்கு பள்ளியின் சார்பாக வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். இப்பள்ளியை ஆங்கில பள்ளிக்கு இணையாக உயர்த்த வேண்டும் என்ற நோக்கத்தோடு